If you're tired of long shipping times for your dropshipping products, I'm going to give you an alternative to Aliexpress. And we're just going to go through this process real quick. This is something I've been using recently for all my dropshipping stores, and I highly suggest everyone should be using this right now. So currently what I've been using is Zendrop. Now Zendrop, you connect it to your store, you go to the Shopify store app, and you just download from there, you sign it up. Right now it's not connected to my store, but usually you will go through the Shopify App Store. So I'm just going to give you a little walkthrough on how to use it and what you can find and what you can do using Zendrop. And I'll leave a link to sign up with Zendrop in the description below. So on the left dashboard, you can see where you can find products and you can access the products you already added, and you can also fulfill your products. Now this makes it very simple when fulfilling orders and when attaching it to your store and syncing it. For a free plan, you can only fulfill 25 orders per month. So if you found a winning product and you want to scale, I highly suggest just get the paid subscription. So if once you go on find products, if you upgrade to their subscription, they will give you access to the trending products other dropshipping people are using, and you can use from that product selection, and it gives you all the data of how many products are being sold, and they know exactly what's selling. You can also look for products that are shipped within the United States. So if you want to do TikTok Shop, for example, and you want to drop ship on there, you can click ships from United States so you can align with TikTok Shop guidelines. But if you have a normal dropshipping store, it still has short shipping times from China. So you can go through all the different categories. Usually I go through the bath and beauty. Those are the products I mostly sell on this account. And they have a wide selection. So if there isn't a product that you find on here that you want to get from AliExpress, they can try to source it for you. You can upload it. If you go to AliExpress import right here, you can also do bundles and boxes. So if you want to do a bundle with multiple products, you can set that up here. And under branding, when a customer receives your product, you can add a thank you card with a discount code. This brings credibility to your brand, which is very helpful in scaling and getting returning customers. So here's all the different product selections, and they have really good product selections. I personally have dropshipped this product, and this product, and this product. So all you're going to do once you find your product is you're going to add to your products, and then you're going to click my products, and you're going to review and publish it. So I don't have a store link. I don't know if it's going to let me. But over here you can edit the description if you would like, and you can change the product name over here and the product tags. And if you have a collection, you can put it over here. But usually I just leave all this and I edit it in Shopify. It's really up to you. Over here you have access to the exact profit and the price you want to sell it at. It has the shipping and the product cost over here. So you can manipulate however you like. So the sales price, the price that they sell out, is pretty standard, and I usually follow this. Maybe I go up $1 or lower $1. It really depends on exactly what I'm doing for my store. And you have a choice of keeping what variants you like, or if you want to take any variants, you have that choice also. Over here they give you images, so if you want to keep these images and edit them later, you could do that. So what you can do is you can import it, and then in Shopify go into products and then just download the images from there. So then after you found your products, you would just click publish to store. I don't have a store connected to this account, so I'm not going to do that. But usually you just publish the store and it will sync directly to your store. Now once you start getting orders, you will click the orders tab and you will just fulfill them right here. And they will tell you, if you go back to the dashboard, it will show exactly your profit per product that you sold, and it will see the sales price and the cost of goods and everything was shown on your dashboard. So it's very easy to keep track of your profit margins when doing drop shipping. Now, if you do want to upgrade, they do give you $100 in order credit, which is really useful when starting out. So, and they have, I believe, a 7-day or 14-day trial you could start with. So in that 14 days, try to get as many sales as you can, at least 5 to 6 sales when you're starting out and testing new things, and then you will basically be spending nothing because you will get that $100 in order credit. The last thing I want to touch up on is if you click the actual product, it will tell you the average shipping time right here. From my experience, it does not exceed 20 days. Usually on AliExpress it's 20 to 30 days. This is within 13 days. Sometimes it's even less depending on where it's shipping from. So if it's from shipping from the United States, it's usually to 5 to 7 business days. But if from China, it's usually 13 to 15 business days. Now that's it for the alternative to AliExpress. I know there's other alternatives out there like AutoDS, but I personally used Zendrop and I have the most experience with Zendrop and it's been working for me, so I'm pretty sure it will work for you. It just really matters of what type of product you're trying to sell, where it's shipping from, and how easy is the process to fulfill them. Until next time.